Hello everyone, welcome to my Quizify review, and in this Quizify review I will discuss all about Quizify, what is actually Quizify software, its full demo overview, how it works, how can you actually make money using this Quizify software. Like using this Quizify you will get tons of viral free traffic which will convert into leads and sales, and you can also make money from Fiverr, People Per Work or Upwork. I will show you everything step by step in this Quizify review, and I will also discuss about the vendor special bonuses and my exclusive bonuses, that is worth over $33,000. So keep watching my Quizify review. And this Quizify is going to launch on 28th October at 10 a.m. EST time on WordPlus by Rick. So what is actually Quizify app? So Quizify is a groundbreaking software or app that lets you to create quizzes, surveys and polls to generate leads, traffic and sales on autopilot. And these quizzes, polls and surveys are very interactive, and people love quiz, polls, and they love to participate in quiz, polls or surveys. That's why it's in viral in type, and thus you can get lots of traffic, sales and leads using this Quizify. And see, this is the types of quiz, this is the done for you template. You can just use and just select your quizzes, and this is the polls template, and this is the survey template. I will show you everything step by step and how you can actually make money using this software in two ways. I will show you one as an affiliate marketer, and the second is as an freelancer or service provider. So let's get back. So with an interactive quiz you will drive more visitors to your blog, and like these are very engaging, personable and fun. We all know that quizzes are very interactive, okay? And you can customize your quiz, poll and survey according to your branding, and its advanced video quiz builder lets you choose other video from like YouTube, Vimeo, CDN or any other video platforms, or your own video to build quiz, polls and surveys, and allowing you to boost leads and conversion. See, these have also video quiz builder, and using this video quiz builder you can literally boost your conversions and you can viral anything, because video is already in viral in mood. And if you use quizzes or polls or surveys in video, that video will be blast, okay? And you can also share them anywhere on your website, email or social media with a link or opt-in form to collect email leads. See, you can also integration your GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp or SendLane, any email autoresponder platform to get email leads, and you can see the magic when you can share them anywhere on social media, mail or anything else. And not only people will buy from you or subscribe to your list, they will also share your quiz link or polls link or survey link with their family and friends, and that will result in more traffic, sales and conversions. So this is very amazing. This is the main features. You will have 25 plus done for you quiz templates, polls templates or survey templates. You can, and you can also create video quiz. So let's go to the demo. This is the members area dashboard. You just need to log in to get instant access to this members area. See, these are the quiz template. You can just preview and you can use it, or you can create project from here. This is polls, you can create project for polls, and this is surveys. You can choose any template from here and you can create project. So before I create any project from template, I want to show you, this is the projects. See, this is the previous project. You can create project from here. This is the video projects. You can create video projects here. This is leads. You can integrate your autoresponder here. See, this is get response. You can add any, and this is the tutorials. I encourage you to see the tutorials, as you can make the proper use of this software, and this is the bonuses. So let's get to the dashboard, projects. See, create project. You can create new quiz, new poll, or new survey. For example, I am seeing you the new quiz. See, this is the welcome page. See, just welcome. This will be description, short description. Then you can start. This is the icon. This will be the icons. See, this is the icon. Then questions like affiliate marketing. I am showing you as an example, and I will show you also how to do it very stunningly and awesome with the use of template. I am showing you this is as a blank, and you can use redirect URL like after completing the quiz to where your traffic will go. For example, I am just google.com. Okay, so start making questions. See, this is the step 1, new question. Click like I have do you, I'm just checking the, yes, do you love, do you work online? You can add a brief description. See, this is the preview. You can add brief description, and you can add answer. See, like yes, then no, and you can add multiple answers, 4, 5, 6 as your wish, and you can also answer with image. Okay, see, if you turn on, you can select image on your answer. There are lots of options. Then you can add another step, another questions. Say new question. So like do you have traffic? Then answer yes, or you can, I am just showing you as example. So this is like this. Then you should set up your results, and you can actually save the project. See, I am just showing you the example. You can do whatever you can. See, I need to view this project. See, welcome, start, do you work online? Yes. Do you have traffic? Yes. See, this will things works. So let's get back to the done for you template to create any quiz or polls. See, like I want to use this template. Use now. See, this is the template. How healthy are you? It's time to find out. See, I can edit anything, and I can edit the questions. So using this type of template, you can very easily create any quiz, polls, or surveys. See, I can edit anything with the template. Okay, see, this is the question, these are the answers, this is the question, these are the answers. You just need to edit the questions or answers with the template, and you can create stunning and awesome quiz, polls, or surveys using this software. And you know how much people love to interact or participate for quiz, polls, and surveys. You personally know, because I always like to participate in quiz, polls, and if you use quiz, polls, or surveys in your website's blog or any other platform, the traffic will be viral, and traffic will love you, and that traffic will be blast. Okay, so see this, just save the template, save project, success. See, you can edit this. Okay, see, how healthy are you? Start. Good morning. This is the option. Next. This is the option. Next. So this is how you can create stunning quizzes, surveys, and polls. Just edit it, and everything is done for you. See, see, and you can also use video quiz builder using this software. So I am going back. See, this is the video quiz builder. See, create video. You can use others video from Vimeo, YouTube, or CDN. See, this is the source like YouTube, or you can use your own video also. This is the video start time, and this is the previous created polls, surveys, or quiz. Okay, so this is the start time. On the selected video, on this start point, the quiz will appear, and thus your video will be, from the video you will get lots of traffic, and your video will be viral, and you can share your projects to multiple social media or email or anything like that. So this is very awesome and cool. See, these are the leads, and you can integrate your email autoresponder like MailChimp, GetResponse, Aweber, Sendlen, anything. And you can use this Quizify software for yourself to get high amount of buyer traffic to your website, blog, or videos using this software, or you can create stunning quizzes, surveys, or polls using this awesome template, or this using this quiz builder software, and sell as a service to Fiverr, Upwork, or peopleperwork.com, and you can make money. See, I just search as poll create. See, I will create attractive Google form, online survey, polls, etc. See, I will create quiz, WordPress website, poll, survey. I will create online survey, poll, quiz. See, there are lots of things. So you can create survey, you can create quiz, and these are this a Google Forms quiz, and you can create this type of quiz form. So you can be standalone on this market, because no one can create, or very few people can create this type of awesome quiz page or polls page or survey page. So you can stand alone, or you can sell this to also other places like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, everywhere. You can sell this type of quiz to your clients or to your local clients and anything, and you can make money by, because it comes with commercial license. The quizzes you are building using this Quizify software, you can sell them as your own to your client, because it comes with commercial license. So this is actually very awesome, and you can also use this Quizify software to create quiz, polls, and surveys for getting traffic, for making affiliate commissions for your own or for others. So this is absolutely amazing, and this is the Quizify vendor bonuses. You will get these bonuses from this members area bonus tab. See, and this is client extractor. This is EZ task manager and scheduler engine. I will give also my exclusive bonuses. Just wait. This is portfolio showcase tool. This is image grab, viral suite, action stimulator software. These all are the software. Facebook audience builder, instant publisher, Pinbook. This is very awesome. Then traffic hover, FB traffic engine, Telegram, FB photo box. There are lots of bonuses here. I can't show you all. These all are the plugin software or methods here, and these are my exclusive bonus bundle. I have put the link in my description below. When you purchase through my link, you will get all of these bonuses automatically, and these are the vendor bonuses you will find here. So let's see my exclusive bonuses. The first one is YouTube Velocity, and this is a software to bring free traffic, set and forget free bad traffic from Google and YouTube. This is Meep. This is actually ads codes and bonus paid generator software. This is Shina. This is a software for bringing free traffic in your chosen niche on autopilot. This is Zenobia. This is Cleopatra. This is Cleopatra is a awesome traffic software for bringing free bad traffic from LinkedIn. And this is Golden Stash. This is domain flopping software. This is a Tweetex software for bringing free traffic from Twitter. And this is Forget About Broke Nova. This is a software for bringing traffic from TikTok. And this is Lazy Traffic is Sniper, List Lariat, Ariel Assassin. This is Midas, awesome affiliate marketing course. 6-figure secrets, traffic booster, affiliate takeoff, the super shakedown, profit force, Octagon, Elevate. There are lots of bonuses and software plugins, etc. I can't show you all. So when you purchase through my special link, I have put the link in the description. You will get automatically these bonuses on your access page as affiliate bonus, and this bonus you will find in this. So this is Quizify, and see the main features of Quizify. You can create quiz poll surveys. You know that you will have 25 plus done for you quiz template, and you can also create video quiz, and this is fully responsive mobile friendly design, and you can embed on any website or landing page. This is, and you can collect leads through integration, MailChimp, Aweber, GetResponse, Sendle, and Zapier. And you can also manually export the leads from this app. You can export leads, and you can share on various social media sites like for getting traffic and leads, and URL redirect audience to your website, sales page, affiliate offer, and more. And you have the detailed analytics for every quiz poll, and you can also export the report, and you can also embed Facebook pixel and Google Tag Manager to build audience and get analytics, as you can target your traffic to run ad for later, and you can personalize your quiz. So my final opinion, so Quizify sends floods of free hyper targeted traffic and leads on complete autopilot, and no wonder top marketers and Fortune 500 companies all are using quizzes to generate targeted traffic and hot buyers leads daily. Amazon, Dribble all use quizzes, so you can imagine how powerful it is, and nothing else on the market comes anywhere close to what this done for you. And this is the most powerful viral traffic and lead generation system ever, and Quizify is actually amazing, and you will get some discount. See, when you go to the cross cursor button on the sales page, when you try to purchase, see, you will get $3 discount. A pop-up will appear, and you will get $3 discount. It will appear, see, $3 discount. So don't forget to take this $3 discount. It will save you $3, and don't forget to take my exclusive bonuses and these bonuses. So this is all about my Quizify review. I hope this Quizify review will help you to make your purchase decision. So this is for today. See you soon.